when you learn to imagine best-case scenarios. You get to enjoy experiences twice. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. We begin our practice here by closing down your eyes and settling into your surroundings, wherever you are. Encouraging your breath to quickly find a gentle natural rhythm of its own. And just begin to notice how the body continues to breathe for you, without any thought or effort from you to do so. Feeling the way thoughts and emotions come and go. How they flow in and out. Your breath is steady and gentle. And you find yourself relaxing a little deeper still with each exhale you take. Worst case scenario can be a way to show your brain that even if the worst possible thing happens, it's something that you will be able to handle in the moment. That is, if that moment ever comes. I know it well. I am the reigning queen of worst case scenario. If I already know the worst thing that can happen, it won't ever be an issue if it does. And my biggest fear, the one of having to think or process through a huge issue or emotion, it's exactly what I'm already doing. Until today. I welcome you here to take your deepest breath in of the day. Feeling a calming release on the exhale. Today we're going to play a new game. A new game of best case scenario. And I welcome you here to bring forward one of your own recent or longtime worries or fears. And once you have something in the front of your mind, I want you to just give yourself a little nod. The new game begins here, as you ask yourself, what would be the best case scenario? Take a deep breath in. And a slow exhale out. Best case scenario can completely change your life, rewiring your brain and your body to reach for peace and ease from this very day forward. Our viewpoints and assumptions on situations shape our entire reality, which means that when you assume the very best, you experience the very best. Taking another long, slow, deep inhale in. And a slow and purposeful exhale out. Feeling the way your breath returns to a natural rhythm once more. In almost the very same moment, you stop trying to control the air. I encourage you to journal after this practice today, and to make what is the best case scenario a permanent headline of all of your pages. When you learn to imagine best case scenarios, you get to enjoy experiences twice. Our practice comes to a close here, as you begin to slowly welcome your mind back into your body. Welcoming any stretches or gentle movements that feel right for you. Take a final deep breath in. And release as you let all the worries go. It's quite possible that things could turn out far better than you could ever imagine. When you feel ready, open your eyes. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.